EARY Mini USB Humidifier. Cool Mist Humidifier for EARY is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Ultimate portability. The desktop humidifier is small and lightweight, allowing you to take it wherever you go, ideal for your home, office, car, or travel. The portable humidifier improves the air quality and moisture content in the immediate vicinity while combating the harsh effects of dry air. Whisper quiet operation. The air humidifier operates at a noise level of below 30 decibels to project hygienic, humidified air quickly and quietly, suitable as humidifier for bedroom. Automatic shut-off intelligent protection. The evaporative humidifier automatically shuts off in every 2 hours. The cold humidifier stops misting when its water tank is removed. Night light function. In the cute appearance of Cat Loves Fish, the room humidifier offers automatically changing light in 7 colors when turned on, serving perfectly as humidifier for babies. After-sale warranty. The manufacturer provides a full 12-month warranty and 30-day refund guarantee for you, so to buy the manufacturer's small humidifier is 100% secure for you. Why choose EARY humidifier? Simple in design but powerful in function, Mini Humidifier provides ideal moisture balance to help you breathe better and sleep more comfortably. With 0.11-gallon water tank, desktop humidifier allows up to 10 hours working time and appropriate mist. You don't need to add water all night. Feature of personal humidifier. Amount of spray. 35 milliliters HR. Working voltage, DC 5V, USB powered. Working current. 400 mAh. Power consumption. 2 W. Use time, about 12 hours. Material, plastics. Specification of Cool Mist Humidifier. Water tank capacity. 0.11 gallons, 400 ml. Product size. 492 by 335 by 492 inch, 12.5 by 8.5 by 12.5 cm. Product weight. 0.3 pounds, 135 g. Operation instruction of USB humidifier. 1. Open the water tank and fill an appropriate amount of water. 2. Cover the tank, and connect the power supply through USB cable. 3. Press the switch. First press is to turn on USB humidifier with 7-color light automatically changing. Second press is to turn off 7-color light while leaving. Personal humidifier still spraying. Third press is to turn off cool humidifier. Warm tips for mini humidifier. It is recommended to soak the cotton swab in water thoroughly before use. Changing cotton swab. Rotate the outer tube of cotton swab and make it out. Don't pull the outer tube of cotton swab directly, then take out the cotton swab. 1 additional cotton swab is offered. When replacing it, please be careful with bottom spring of the pure humidifier. Please prevent the metal atomizer for mist spray from being contacted by hard objects. Please keep Cool Mist Humidifier away from water or fire. Package includes 1 by mini humidifier, 1 by USB cable, 1 by cotton swab, 1 by user manual.